In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Facebook lead ads to Mailchimp for easy integration. This process allows you to seamlessly transform the leads generated from your Facebook ads into actionable insights in your Mailchimp account, automating your marketing efforts and enhancing your follow-up strategies. Let's dive straight into how you can set this up. Start by choosing an automation tool. Automation tools act as the bridge between Facebook lead ads and Mailchimp, facilitating the flow of information from one platform to the other. Some of the popular choices include Zapier, Integromat, and Automate.io, among others. These tools vary in their features and pricing, so it's important to select one that best fits your business needs and budget. Make sure you have an account set up with your chosen tool before proceeding to the next step. Once you've selected your automation tool, it's time to set up the trigger on Facebook lead ads. The trigger is an event that initiates a series of actions, and in this context, it will be whenever someone submits a lead form from your Facebook ad. To configure this, you'll need to connect your Facebook account to the automation tool. During this process, you'll probably be asked to authorize the tool's access to your Facebook account, so ensure you have the right permissions. After granting access, select the specific Facebook lead ad form you want the automated tool to monitor. This will ensure that each time someone fills it out, it triggers the action you'll be setting up next in Mailchimp. Now move to set up the action on Mailchimp. In this part, you'll specify what should occur in Mailchimp when the trigger event happens on Facebook. Typically, the action would involve adding the new lead information into a Mailchimp audience. Ensure your Mailchimp account is in hand along with the correct audience list you want to grow. When connecting your automation tool to Mailchimp, be prepared to authorize access similarly to what you did with Facebook. Select the list to which you'd like your leads added. This forms the basis of your future email marketing campaigns. Finally, it's time to test and activate your setup. Testing your integration is crucial to ensure that everything operates smoothly and as expected. Most automation tools provide a feature for running a test prior to full deployment. Use this feature to simulate the process of a lead submission and watch how the data transfers into your Mailchimp audience. Check for consistency and accuracy to ensure no data is lost or mismatched. If the test exhibits no issues, you can go ahead and activate the process, setting it live. From here on, your Facebook leads will automatically funnel into Mailchimp, allowing you to engage them with welcome emails, updates, and more. With these steps, you've established an effective, automated workflow, ensuring your leads go directly where they're needed the most. This connection between Facebook lead ads and Mailchimp optimizes your marketing process and enhances the potential impact of your campaigns.